How to know if someone read your message on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram. As you can see, I am not able to view the person has read my message or not. So simply go to your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and click on Message and Story Replies. In here, simply click on Read Receipts. After you click on Show Read Receipts, turn this on. After you turn on Read Receipts, simply go back. In here, you'll find Activity Status. Click on Show Activity Status and then turn this on. After you turn on Activity Status, you will be able to view. Simply go to your Instagram DMs and then reload it. After you have reloaded, as you can see, it is showing seen 1 minute ago. And this is how to know if someone read your message on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.